It's a big jump for a tiny guy.
Well, I will survive.
Having second thoughts?
I got 100. Got him. How about that?
Okay. Well, let's see if we can keep your eye on the prize.
Who is it? Who's the prize?
You're in trouble.
Where did you
You
win
skipped
at?
that house.
I want to go to Mr. Toad's house. Oh, it smells like fungi. Going to beat up Bowser.
That's
As
not
soon as
Bowser.
I figure out how to click go.
You just missed your item. It's fine, whatever.
What items?
You don't know.
This is too hard. I don't need the extra stress. That's why I don't play these games anymore. See this guy? And then he's going to come back to life on me. Hate it. Oh my goodness. What? This is why I do play these games. To set life up.
You're at 4.
I think I'll wait. Yeah, and I just died. Bring it back to 3 after I got the life up. You saw me die. Actually, we have it on video. Gosh.
Oh, look at that big one over there.
I know. I need it. I'll jump through. I learned a new move. Oh. So